Multiply 1 1/3 times 5 1/2. When multiplying a mixed number to another mixed number, I like to turn both numbers into improper fractions first. How do I do that? Take the one that lives out in front of the first fraction and multiply it to the denominator. So you're going to do 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Add that to the numerator. 3 plus 1 is 4. That becomes your new numerator. Keep the old denominator of 3. Now we're going to do the same exact thing to the other number, 5 1/2. Multiply the whole number that lives out in front to the denominator of 2. So 5 times 2, which is 10. Add that to the numerator, which is 1. So 10 plus 1 becomes 11. And keep your old denominator of 2. Now, when multiplying fractions, multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. So 4 times 11 is 44. 3 times 2 is 6. Now, one thing that I noticed right away is both of those numbers are even. So that means they're both divisible by 2, and I'm going to divide them both by 2. So divided by 2, divided by 2. That gets me 22, the Taylor Swift special, over 3. Now, 22 over 3 is simplified, but it's an improper fraction. Let's turn that back into a mixed number. So we're going to find how many times 3 goes into 22, the Taylor Swift special. Well, 3 goes into 22 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. And now we're going to subtract 22 minus 21. And 22 minus 21 is 1. With no more numbers to bring down, that 1 becomes your remainder. So I have remainder of 1. How do I turn all this information into a mixed number? Well, 7 is our whole number that lives out in front. So I'm going to put 7 there. My remainder is my new numerator, and my old denominator of 3 is still going to remain my denominator. So we end up with 7 1/3. And that's our answer.